this video, I'll show you how to install Excalidraw, a free and easy to use tool for drawing diagrams, wireframes, and sketches right in your browser or offline. So for the option one, we have a different options to download. Actually, it's a two options. So for the first option, you can use in browser, so no installation needed. If you just want to use Excalidraw online, just head over to this official website and it's ready to go. No sign up needed, no install needed, just draw. And then for the options too, if you really want to download it, you can install it as desktop app. Just simple click on this and it will automatically install the Excalibur. So that's it. So now you can open it like a regular desktop app even without internet. So that's it. So whether you use it in your browser or install it on your computer, Excalibur is an awesome tool to bring your ideas to life visually. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.